students, welcome back to our EVS class. My dear students, we have started our third lesson, organ systems. Alright, in that lesson, we have learned many interesting things. Do you remember what we have learned in first session? Yes, we have seen different internal organs and their functions. Can you tell me some names of internal organs? Yes, brain, heart, lungs, kidneys, stomach. These are some important internal organs. Now, we have also seen different organ systems. Can you tell me names of organ systems? Yes, organ systems such as circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, nervous system and many more. Alright, now in today's session we are going to do one activity. In that activity you have to take your drawing sheet. Alright, and in that you have to draw outline of a body. Now see what I am going to do here. Do you know that positions of internal organs in our body? Yes, we have seen different organs in our body. So, from that you got an idea about this. Now, can you tell me? I have drawn here outline of a body. Here, if I want to paste picture of brain, can you tell me where should I paste it? Yes, very good. This picture of brain, I have to paste it here in the head. Where I have to paste it? Yes, here. Because we know that our brain is in our head. Which organ is this? Brain. Can you tell me function of brain? Yes. Brain helps us to remember things, and it also helps us to control activities which are performed by our other body parts. Understand? Now, can you tell me the name of body part which pumps blood, which works like water pump? Can you name that part? Yes, that is our heart. Alright, our heart works every time. Understand? It pumps blood to all body parts. Okay. Do you know the position of heart in our body? Yes. Our heart is present to the left side in our chest. Alright. Where is it present? Our heart is present to the left side in our chest. Alright. Understand? Now, you have to tell me that the important organ which helps us while breathing. When we breathe in, we take fresh air in. Can you name that organ? Yes, that is nothing but our lungs. How many lungs do we have? Yes, we have 2 lungs. How many lungs do we have? We have 2 lungs. And can you tell me where these lungs are present in our body? Yes, our lungs are also present in chest. Alright? Here or in the chest, our lungs are present. Alright? Understand? Now, can you tell me students the organ which works like a mixer grinder? Yes, very good. Whenever you eat food item, any food, then it goes or it passes through our esophagus or food pipe. Here we have that food pipe and it comes here. Alright, and it joins to the organ. Then our food which we have eaten, it goes to that organ. Can you tell me the name of that organ? Yes, that organ is our stomach. Which organ is this? stomach. Whatever food we eat, our stomach grinds it and digests the food which we have eaten. Alright students? So, here, wait. Here you can see position of stomach. Understand? Okay. Now, you can see here, after this, we have a body part or internal body part in which all the food atoms or the nutrients from the food atom get absorbed. Can you name that internal organ? Yes, that is nothing but our intestines. What is the name of that body part? Intestine. Very good. So here we have our intestine. Alright students? Okay. Our stomach, whatever food we have eaten, it digests and it passes to first small intestine. Then in the small intestine, all the nutrients get absorbed in our blood. And after that, whatever waste material is there, that passes to the large intestine. Understood? Okay. Then, after that, you have to tell me internal organ which purifies our blood. Can you tell me that organ? Yes, that is nothing but our kidneys. Alright students, our kidneys help us to purify our blood. Understand? How many kidneys do we have in our body? Yes, we have a pair of kidney, means 2 kidneys are there in our body. Alright, this is first one and this is second one. How many kidneys do we have? Yes, we have 2 kidneys in our body. Now, here in the head we have our brain. Then next internal organ which is present in our chest. Can you name that internal organ? Yes, it is our heart. Which organ is that? Heart. Then the organ which is related to respiratory system. Can you name that organ? Yes, that is lungs. What is that organ? Lungs. We have 2 lungs. Then the organ which works like a mixer grinder. Can you tell me the name of that organ? Yes, that is stomach. What is that organ? That is stomach. Then the organ which is absorb, which help us to absorb nutrients from the food material. What is that organ? Yes, intestine. That is intestine. Alright? And then the last organ which purifies our blood, that is kidneys. Alright? This organ is kidney. We have a pair of kidney in our body and it helps us to purify our blood. Now students, you have to do this activity at your home. For that, you need a card sheet paper. On that card sheet paper, you have to draw a body structure. Alright, I will show you the body structure. Like this, on chart paper, you have to draw. And here, you have to paste all these organs which I have pasted here. Understand? You can take a print or you can also draw and color these body parts and you can paint or draw that body part here. Alright? But you should not make a drawing or painting, you have to do it like this only. Understand? You have to take cutouts and then you have to paste it. Understand? Okay. So, from this, you learn the position of different internal organs. Now, my dear students, these organs always work. Alright? Can you tell me? Can we control these organs? Can we control functions of these organs? Can you stop breathing? No. These organs all are involuntary. Means we cannot control functions of these organs. Whenever you are writing, eating, that time, how your breathing rate is? Is it fast or normal? Yes, it is normal. But whenever you are doing some activities like jumping, running, playing, that time your breathing rate is high. So, all these body parts, they act or they function differently whenever we are doing different activities. Understand? Functions of these internal organs depend on the activities we are doing. Alright students, I hope you all have understood the position and functions of these internal organs. We will see next point in next session. Till that time, thank you.